Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. Today we will be presenting about
Bungalow in assignment 1 in subject building inspection and maintenance BMKM 3154.
So this is the team member of our group, which consists of 3 person, and me, Muhammad Al-Hadi Nasrullah bin Mustafa Kamal, with number matric B0921100018, and next Muhammad Muizzuddin bin Abdul Qadir, and second Arif bin Abdul Rani. Introduction. Abandoned bungalows often left unused for extended periods typically suffer from structural issue, broken system and general disrepair, rendering them hazardous and unfit for habitation. This report examined the refurbishment of 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom bungalow with a built-up area of approximately 4,500 square feet, focusing on the planning and execution required to restore it to a livable, modern standard. It outlines the refurbishment process, identifies potential challenge, and provide cost estimate for necessary repair and upgrades, encompassing structural reinforcement system, restoration, and aesthetic enhancement. For objective of the report is: first, identify the necessary repair and refurbishment tasks. Second, develop a comprehensive plan for modernizing the home while ensuring safety and functionality. Lastly, provide an estimated budget for all refurbishment works. For a problem statement we face, first, the property has been abandoned for a long period, leading to structural wear and tear. Second, electrical wiring and plumbing system are outdated and not functional. Third, the foundation walls and floors may be compromised due to prolonged neglect, while the roof, fixtures and finishes are in poor condition or need complete replacement. And lastly, refurbishment costs are high due to the extensive work required. For general condition, when refurbishing an abandoned bungalow, it is important to evaluate the current condition of the property to understand the necessary repairs and improvement. An abandoned bungalow, especially one with 4 bedroom and 3 bathroom, require intensive work to bring it up to modern standard. Before we begin the process of refurbishing and repairing, we must address some key preliminary conditions. This includes first and foremost the foundation and structure integrity, followed by the plumbing and water system, and finally the electrical system.
Thank you, Al-Hadi. Next, I will present about the layout. Before I present about layout, I will introduce again. My name is Muhammad Muizzuddin bin Abdul Qadir. Our matric is B0921100413. This is our layout for area of housing. It 4,500 square feet. It include the 4 bedroom and 3 bathroom. In this study, we need to estimate cost for structural, electrical and plumbing. First, I will go through the structural. Structural is crucial to evaluate foundation, walls, beam, columns and roof. Next, identify necessary repair or reinforcements such as the wall, track and what else. Second is factor affecting structural costs with age and condition of the existing structure, design scope of renovation, local material and labor cost. Next, common structural work and cost. It foundation stabilization, wall strengthening, beam replacements and roof repairs. Consult with professional if the manpower to rebuild or renovation about the structural costing, as engineers, contractors obtain detailed assessment and learn solutions, develop a realistic budget plan. Next, for electrical system evaluation to inspect wiring, outlets, switch, circuit breakers and main panel. And then the house about the whole over the 10 years, we need to construct or protection about the wiring system. And then outdated or unsafe system may require complete rewiring. Second, cost factor. Cost factor material and labor, wiring type, number of outlets, switch and installation complexity, electricians experience and locations. And the last one is getting accurate cost estimate to consult with licensed electrician, assess existing system condition, obtain detailed estimate for necessary work, seek advice on potential cost saving measures, develop a realistic budget for electrical renovation. Okay, next, this is a table for electrical component. The wiring installation are above 260 to 310. And the lighting installation is 90 ringgit to 110, and the estimate cost for total is 6,125 to 7,185. Next, I will present the presenter to Al-Hadi.
For plumbing plays an important role in our daily life by providing clean water and removing waste. Though we often overlook its importance. In abundant properties, plumbing system can become damaged due to age, outdated material like galvanized steel, or broken fixture. Refurbishment should begin with a detailed inspection to identify problems and necessary repair. This might include replacing old rusty pipe with modern material like copper or PX, installing new features such as sink, toilet and shower, and ensuring proper connection to the water supply and sewage system. Following this step helps restore the plumbing system to full functionality and reliability. The table outlines the estimated cost for refurbishing a plumbing system in a bungalow, including work on 3 bathrooms and a kitchen sink. It covers essential items like a toilet, sink, piping, valve, along with a labor cost for plumber and helper. Additional expense include permits, miscellaneous material like sealants and hanger, and waste disposal. The total estimated cost for the plumbing refurbishment is RM10,650.
Next, refurbishment cost. Refurbishment cost are to take away about the price in Malaysia. Renovation cost in Malaysia, basic renovation are 150 to 180,000. Major renovation including luxury features are above 210. Second, factor affecting cost. Factor affecting costs include extent of renovation, it is minor repairs and upgrade with major structural change. Second, material quality, high-end finishes and custom designs can increase costs. Next, getting accurate estimates. To consult with contractor or interior designers, they can assess your specific needs and provide detailed cost breakdowns. And I will pass this slide to Arif to go through the next slide.
Okay, next is the construction improvements. It is a process of improving a building's structural, functional, and aesthetic components to ensure safety, longevity, and current usage. The process including foundation repairs, beam and column upgrades, wall reinforcement, floor and wall redo, and many more aspects. Okay, this is the breakdown cost of construction improvement, which consists of foundation repairs that will cost about 15,000, beam and column upgrades will cost about 30,000, wall reinforcement 20,000, roof structure replacement 40,000, structural waterproofing and realignment 30,000, floor redo 25,000, wall finishes 10,000, and lastly is the drainage system will cost about 20,000, and the total cost of construction improvement will be around 180,000 until 200,000. Okay, next is the breakdown cost of furnishings, fixtures and finishes. The first one is the kitchen fixtures, that are the cabinets, the countertop, sink, that will cost about 20,000. Bathroom fixtures such as the toilets, wash bins will cost about 20 to 25,000, and the lighting will cost 10,000. Wardrobes 12,000. New doors, frames and windows panel will cost about 10 to 50,000, and the miscellaneous, which are the curtain rods, decorative fixtures, will cost around 10 to 12,000. And the total cost of furnishings, fixtures and finishes aspect will cost around 70 to 90,000. And it is also should be taken into account that the cost may vary due to the material used and the brand of the fixtures. And also the selection of material is very important in renovating these areas to ensure steady and quality of products. Okay, this is the system repair that should be done to this bungalow. The first one is the HVAC system, where the major maintenance should be implemented since it is an abandoned bungalow to ensure the efficiency at its best. And by referring to the bungalow size and the layout itself, we are assuming there will be 4 units of split units in each bedroom and 2 ceiling cassette units to supply the cool air to the lounge and the living room of the bungalow. And each split unit will cost about 250 for the major maintenance, and each ceiling cassette will cost about around 150 to 200, and the total cost for the HVAC system will be around 1,400 until 1,500. Okay, next is the security system of the house, which according to the reference, and our research. A package of CCTV which including of 8 cameras, burglar alarms, and also the installation fees will cost around 4,000 to 5,000 ringgit.
So the conclusion is this study examined the inspection and refurbishment of an abandoned bungalow, highlighting the importance of condition survey to identify structural issue, wound system, and disorder layout before renovation. Its objective include restoring habitability and injury compliance with modern safety and standard. Useful for student, construction manager, architect, and real estate professional. It explore refurbishment costs, focusing on structural repair, system upgrades, and injury enhancement. The report serves as both a practical guide and a learning resource for future renovation project, emphasizing safety, functionality, and cost efficiency.
That's all for our slide presentation, and thank you.